Bonnie. Happy Friday. I am back with my daughter, Zoe. Hey!
Hi.
And we are unboxing a giant box of Lush. Oh my goodness, you guys. So we got the Lush Easter collection the other day, and we're going to just dig in. So what do we got first?
A cat and an owl in a boat. Whose idea was this? Why does it exist and why do I love it?
I don't know, but I love it too. So let's take it out of the packaging here.
They're just chilling.
They're chilling, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna hand this to you. Look at this. Hold this up. So I'm not exactly sure. Oh, the lighting's a little. The light's just reflecting like crazy. Here, let's try this.
Okay.
This is literally a canoe, and there's an owl and a cat kind of just canoeing down the river. I don't know what this has to do with Easter, but literally it gives you 3 bath bombs to play with, and you think it's cute. You like it.
And
it
smells really good. It smells kind of like snow fairy-ish, not snow
Oh, it does a little bit. I know. What's up with that? Okay, so that's a win. Okay, and then of course we have all of the biodegradable peanuts that we try to put over here.
Here's some. The avocado soap. I love this one.
Oh my gosh, this one is so cool. Okay, we got to cut this one open. So Lush Easter has a really neat selection this year, better than Valentine's Day. Check that out.
Avocado soap.
It is avocado soap. Oh my goodness, is that not so cool?
It smells so good.
Does it?
I love this one.
Oh, that one does smell good. It smells like kind of limey, doesn't it? Look at the center. It's like all glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun.
It's probably one of my favorite Lush soaps.
Yeah, this one is awesome. Okay, so that's a neat like Easter eggy thing going on.
We got packing peanuts.
We get more packing peanuts. Okay. Follow the white rabbit. Check this out. We're going to open this on camera. I'm going to let you open that one. Lush packs everything in such a cute way. So if you're looking for like a fun, I think we need scissors, don't we? If you're looking for a fun gift for someone for Easter, you can get like, look at the, show them the wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, I just noticed the wrapping paper. It's so cute. Look, it's got a little bunny on it. Isn't that adorable with eggs? Okay, so follow the white rabbit. We get 3 products in this one. Check it out. You get a little card with it.
Should I start opening it?
Yeah. You can be really careful like your grandmother.
Yeah, yes I
will. Not my mother, but my husband's mother. Every time she opens a package, she opens it like super careful. My mother just rips it open. Has to open it like this, and what have we done? We preserved the paper. Check it out. It's perfectly preserved. Actually, I'm kind of glad we preserved this one. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
We could probably reuse this for something. And what's it say? It's now it's over to you. It's recycled paper. How cool is that? Do we need scissors? I don't know. I think it opens like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, check it out. That's the bad thing about the packing peanuts. Oh, what did we get?
Cake, lip scrub.
Ah, lip scrub. Oh my goodness.
Lip scrub.
I'm so excited about this. Check it out. This is Funfetti cake. Ooh, that smells good.
Ooh, it does. I love this one.
It's like cake batter, you guys. Check this out. Ooh.
It's even got like little sprinkle things in it.
Yeah, it does have sprinkles in it. Okay, we're not going to put it on right now because we have lip gloss on and that'll probably make a mess.
It's like the snowman, but like a bunny version.
Yeah, it's called Follow the White Rabbit Bath Bomb.
It smells... It's really good. Like, I don't know
you know what that is? I think that's ylang ylang.
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
I don't know. It's like a deeper woodsy smell. That smells really good. And see, this is really cool because when you put it in the water, it's all like, it's rainbowy. What else you got?
A mini golden egg.
The golden egg. Oh my gosh. These things are so messy, you guys. This is like Lush's messiest bath bomb. I'm going to do a sink demo on these. I have one left over from last year. Look at this. Hold this up. I know you probably don't want to touch it. No one wants to touch the glitter.
My fingers are now covered in glitter.
Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. Look at how much glitter is on the golden egg. This is like part bath bomb, and part It's a bath bomb melt. So there's like...
The melt's on the outside, then the bath bomb's on the inside.
Thank you! You described that perfectly.
And then
okay, what else do we got in here? What is it? I'm so excited. Oh, another one of the Follow the Right Rabbits. Oh, we got 2 of them. Look at that. Oh, how cute. Now they're a pair. They have a friend.
I love the little smell.
Oh my gosh. Okay, what else we got in here?
Is there even another receipt of packing peanuts?
I don't know. Is there anything else in here? Ooh, or did they put everything in these little boxes? Oh my gosh, look.
Ooh.
Oh, big what happened?
3 big blues.
Oh my gosh, they put them in upside down. This is so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
I love it.
Big Blue has got seaweed in the center. These are absolutely amazing.
And they smell so good.
It feels like an ocean. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, I got 3 of those. Aren't you happy I got 3 Big Blues? Those are awesome. Okay, so I'm going to use the little box. What else do we have in here?
Here, what's this?
Oh, this is a... Oh, you know what? I thought this was a knot wrap, you guys. It's like wrapping paper. Check it out. It's like Easter Bunny wrapping paper. For some reason, I was thinking this was a knot wrap, but it's this cute little Easter Bunny wrapping paper. So we're going to save that in case we gift anything. Okay, what else is in here?
A sea of packing peanuts.
A sea of packing peanuts. We got all kinds of stuff. Lush is messy, you guys. The fun of Lush is the mess. Oh my goodness. What is this? Okay, so this is called, what is this called? The Flamingo Egg Bath Bomb. Oh my goodness, you guys. Check this out.
Is that one of those where there's like fun side of it?
Yeah, it's like popping candy.
Wait, is that like the type of fun side?
I don't think there's fun inside of this one.
Oh wait, yeah, it's not one of those.
It's not one that, remember a couple years ago they had like,
yeah, like the dinosaur?
Like the dinosaur? I know. This one, oh my gosh. It's got popping candy though. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so we got a popping candy flamingo egg. Oh, a dragon bomb. These aren't Easter, by the way. I just had to get them because I was doing a big Lush order. Dragon bomb smells so good, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite. That's the first bath bomb I ever bought from Lush. Okay, what else do we have in here? Keep digging.
A sea of packing peanuts.
I know, sometimes it's disconcerting to see all of these packing peanuts. Okay, what else do we got?
A bath bomb.
What is this one? This one's not even labeled, you guys. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, it's an egg one. Oh my gosh. What? I can't remember what this one is called.
Ooh,
you'll see it. If you go to Lush USA, does it? It's got like eggs in it. Look at that. Is that kind of weird?
It looks cool.
Oh, it smells good though. It's kind of a deep scent. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to do a couple of sync demos on this. Okay. Anything else in this sea of peanuts? I think we got everything. Okay. Oh! Okay, here's what we're going to do. You're going to hold this. Oh, that's the receipt, I think. Anything else in there? No. Okay.
No.
You hold this up, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to chuck it over here. We got such a mess. Okay, so this is the grand finale, you guys. Check it out. I'm so excited about this. Okay, open up that box.
More packing peanuts, yay!
Oh my gosh, you guys, that's the one thing. Lush definitely packs everything very well. We're going to have to pick these up so Coco doesn't get them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we got a lot of cleanup to do after this video.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. It's like, okay, let's see if I can pull this thing out. Oh! Okay, here, you hold this. I'm going to get rid of the box. Okay, so this is called...
the ribbon keeps slipping around.
Okay, look, it's got a base. You can stick it in, it's like a little... This reminds me so much of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Do you like the one with Johnny Depp, the second one, or do you like the first one?
I like both of them.
You like both of them?
I'm not really sure if I have a favorite.
I know. I do. I like both of them, too. I am definitely a fan. Oops, you're losing your egg. So, anyway, it's Veruca Salt with the egg, right? Yeah. For some reason, I was thinking the other girl. Or is it... No, it's Veruca Salt. Okay. And the whole golden egg thing. So anyway, this is what the golden egg looks like. You have a keepsake afterwards. You take the ribbon off, and then Oh my gosh, is it taped? I think it's taped. Okay. Oh my gosh, where did I put the scissors? Oh, here they are.
I like how we just got a box and then another box inside, and then you have to open yet another box.
I know, isn't it fun? It's kind of fun.
What hacking peanuts?
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Okay, we're gonna have to do like a clean sweep.
The third sea of packing peanuts. You have to open your box, go for a sea of packing peanuts, open your box, go for another sea of packing peanuts, and then yet another one with packing peanuts.
Yes, okay, so if you get this, be prepared, you guys. Oh! This is one of those, isn't this supposed to be on a stick? So this is one of those, it's like, oh my gosh, is that floral or what? Oh my gosh, is that kind of strong? I don't know if I like that.
I kind of like
you
it.
Kind of
like it's a bit too strong, but like maybe if you use a little bit. Maybe
yeah,
like,
so this is one of those things.
I won't want to use the whole thing, like,
I know.
Once, but, like, it smells good.
These are tiny. So what this is you put this, like, in the water, then you can blow bubbles through it. I thought it was on a stick, though. Where's the, doesn't it come with a, I thought it came with a little,
there's this on the side. Yeah.
Thank you. She found it. Yeah. Look, there's all the stuff you get. Okay, so that is called the Singing Daffodil Bubble Blower. It says ring and spring with a floral made for bubbling and its floral scented bubbles. You can swish again and again. That thing's really tiny for the price. I'm glad I got it in the egg. Okay, what's this? Hold that thing up. What is that? Oh, that's a dragon egg.
Yeah, dragon
okay,
egg.
What? That's interesting. You guys, they put a dragon egg bath bomb in the egg. Okay, that kind of makes sense. The egg inside the egg. Okay, that is a Walter Bunny Body Butter. Let's cut Walter out of its little plastic bag.
Free Walter.
Free Walter. Okay. Ooh, Walter's kind of shiny. Okay.
He smells good.
Hold up Walter, and I'm going to talk about Walter.
Everyone behold Walter.
Gently exfoliate with what is that word? What do you think that is? Marumu?
Maru?
And shea butter kisses to keep soft and sweet smelling. What's Walter smell like?
Like chocolate? I don't know. It's good. It like creamy.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Walter smells just like chocolate.
Walter is great.
Okay, Walter is awesome. Oh, Walter's slippery. Walter is very slippery, you guys. Okay, what do we have in there next?
A golden egg.
The golden egg. We got a second golden egg, you guys. Check it out. Okay. These look a little bit different shape than last year.
They look kind of smaller.
Don't they look like a triangle?
Mm-hmm.
They're not an exact egg shape. Okay. That is the Titsy Totsy Bath Bomb. That was from Valentine's Day, you guys. Remember this? This is a bath bomb with, like, roses in it. They kind of did it. They must have those left over. What does the side say? I choose to, what is it? I choose to love and, okay, it's just like a Valentine's message on the side. It goes all the way around, though. Okay, what else do we got?
Banana.
Oh, we have the Nana. Okay, the Nana shower gel. Take the lid off that. What do you think of that? You know what? We're missing something. Oh my gosh. I also ordered, I gotta look at my receipt, you guys. I also ordered, remember the carrot soap? Wait a minute. Our carrot soap is missing. We have a mystery. We have a Scooby-Doo mystery on our hands. Love the Scooby-Doo mystery. So on the packing slip, I also had a Humpty Dumpty bath bomb. Check it out. But they highlighted it in yellow. So I don't know if that meant it was sold out and they didn't charge me, or it's coming in a separate shipment. So I'm going to have to call Lush and figure it out. I'm also missing the carrot soap, which I know I ordered. So who knows? Okay, so I got to call Lush, but they're really good at their customer service. So what is your favorite of the entire Easter collection, do you think?
The packing peanuts.
The packing peanuts. I love the egg, although I wish they had put more Easter stuff in the egg. We got a Valentine's Day thing. I think the what?
We didn't get an Easter bath bomb. We just got Valentine's Day.
Yeah, we got the Valentine's Day. That was kind of odd. I wish they had put one of these flamingo eggs inside the egg. That would have been good. You can hold that. And I wish they had put, maybe that carrot soap that we're missing inside the egg. So
didn't they one year? I think they did at one point.
I thought they did. I know. I thought we had carrot soap. Okay, so that's a little bit confusing. So anyway, these are $57. Oh, it says made in Canada. I think these are $57. That's not Canadian. But like I said, kind of make note of the fact of what you're getting in the egg. Although it's still really cool to actually get the egg. But
it's fun to unbox and like looks pretty.
It does look pretty. It does look pretty. And I think I don't know why this is like exciting for me. It's
just an owl and a cat chilling in a canoe.
The owl and the cat chilling in the canoe is really cool. And then of course we love our
avocado soap.
Avocado soap. Oh gosh, it smells so good. It smells kind of woodsy. I don't know, it's like limey woodsy. So anyway, overall, I'm thrilled. I'm pretty happy. I'm more happy with Easter than I was Valentine's Day for Lush. Only we're going to have to call and find out where our stuff is because I want Humpty Dumpty.
Don't forget about the carrot.
And the carrot soap. Yes, the carrot soap. We got to find out about the carrot soap. So we may have a part 2 of Lush. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.